And then we'll hook it with a stick.
Don't videotape the car. Stop! Don't stop it now. Oh my god, how many cars are gonna come? We're just trying to look at the dead squirrel.
Ow.
Stop videotaping it.
We had practice today?
We did? Yeah, Miss Molly just texted me no practice today.
Oh, crap.
That would have sucked.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't know that. Woo! We almost had cheer practice.
At 4.
That guy staring at us like it's freaking stupid. Keep driving. Come on. Keep driving. Okay, let's do it.
Is it dead? Are you sure?
Yeah,
But what if it bites me?
dead.
Then
I
pick.
just moved it with a stick. See? Now let's go. Come on.
Oh! I thought my foot was by it because the camera like zooms it in.
Oh. Is it zoomed in?
No.
Oh, yes it is. Okay. That was fun. Maybe we can see like a dead dog or something next.
No.
Just kidding, that'd be sad.
That was bad to see the squirrel. Why do I have to have this?
We need a dead frog. That'd be awesome.
Ew, no.
I know, I hate
Are you
frogs.
still recording?
I don't know. Yep.